Hello there, hello there, hello there. So yeah, we are back on the screen. First of all, I would like to tell you this is going to be the fucking light trading site. Euro and ZD. This is what the currencies which I'm looking into. Okay, so Euro and ZD. This is the Euro and ZD I'm looking into. See, see what the thing is right now. That weekly is bullish, and I will be waiting for the retracement to this area of interest where we are going to take the sell trade right there. So daily, this right there is going to be the beautiful thing. Okay, so this is the break retest. No, this has got bearish, so now it is having the retest, beautiful wick retest, and now it is going to push it downside. This is what I know. So now, but the issue is, am I coming good? But the issue is, we got 4 hours bullish. The best and high probable trade setup is going to be this. I need the candlestick closure below the structure, then have the retracement, and then we are going to push to the downside. Because once we have the retracement, there the risk to reward ratio makes sense. If we break, still, yeah, if we break, then risk reward ratio doesn't make sense. This thing over here, there is 1.5 coming. I want the 2 number over here, 2 point. So risk to reward ratio over here, you can see where my tab is. So I want the 2 number there. Right now it's 1.5. That is worst risk reward ratio. Okay, to be honest. That's the reason we are waiting for the retracement. So we need to wait for the retracement. Even I can take the trade right now, because if 1 hour closer like this, like if this thing, yeah, this is going to be beautiful, brother. Like I can take this trade right now. Like this is the trade. Okay, this is the fucking trade. I love this trade. Like wow in the world. This trade I will take 10 and millions of time. But I will not take this trade right now. Why? I wanted to be more conservative. I wanted to be more conservative right there. Okay, so I will be waiting for the candlestick closure. Okay, on the 4 hours. It looks beautiful. I know this is going to be happen. I seriously, I'm not gonna lie. I really know this is going to be happen. Okay, if this thing is going to happen, and if I just do this, yeah, basically 36 plus 40, 14 is equals to how much? 36 plus 1 4 is equals to 50 50 50. The stop loss is going to be 50 50 50 0 0 0 0. So 2 point, yeah, exact the thing is the risk to reward ratio is getting beautiful right now. This looks brilliant, like beautiful, but I will keep my hands off. I will not take this trade for sure, because I want I will be waiting for the conservative approach. I don't want to take this trade just because it is going down. I want the 4 hours to get bearish, because what even what can this happen, that this could be a fake out. Because why in the world 4 hours will get bullish? If it wanted to go down, it can go down from here as well. Why in the world it got bullish? So this is what turning me off. So that's the reason. The best possible way is break of the 4 hours, retest of this 4 hours EMA, risk to reward ratio makes sense, 1:2, and then I can able to push to downside. Either, certainly I really believe this is going to be happen, that this is going to push to downside. I will be not taking the trade for sure. I fucking will not take the trade. Let's go for next odd NZD. So both currency are NZD over here, Euro NZD and the odd NZD. Okay, so Euro NZD, I can take this trade, but like I have learned in my backtesting that if 4 hour structure is closer, you should always wait for the break of that. Even if we got the worst entry, I should wait. Oh shit, I look like a potato. हाँ आलो एक मिनिट हा.
मला आहे ना इथं ब्लॅक म्हणजे असं हे.
कर.
त्याला सांग बरं काय करायचं मागचं असं त्याला राखायला
हां
ब्लॅक
हां हां तुम्हाला सांगते बघा. हे तुमच्याकडे ठेवा. असं असं दिसतंय ना, असं टच करायचं आणि इथं कॅमेराचं बटन आहे. झालं का बाय. परत तेच दाबायचं, पुढचं कॅमेरा चालू होऊन जातो. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, Marketplace. I got the message from Marketplace. I'm looking for Mac. Yeah, I don't want to take this trade. I will be more conservative right there. So this is what my thinking approach is. Literally, it looks beautiful. Okay, it looks beautiful. I mean, I know this is going to happen. This is going to go down, man. This is going to literally go down. Should I take the trade? Like, should I? I mean, the question is, should I take the trade? Now I have to make the decision right there. Okay, I will not take this trade. No means no. I will completely agree. If this trade plays out, I completely agree that I will be missing the profit if this plays out. Okay, I will just delete this because it's messing around. I completely agree this is going to push to downside like anything, but daily is only bearish. I literally want 4 hours to go bearish because if 2 times I'm missing, then I can able to take the trade. If not, then if not. Either 4 hours is still bullish, but structure is bearish. But structure also got bullish. This is going down. What my thing is saying. Okay, what I need to ask myself. I have to make the decision now. I have to make the decision now. Okay, I certainly know this is going to go down. Okay, I want this to happen. I want 4 hours to go bearish and retrace. That is fucking it. Even though the lower time frame looks beautiful, like anything, I will still be waiting for the same. I'm little saying to myself, okay, and I if this push to the downside, I will be completely okay of missing the profits because over here I'm not here to make profit. I am here to get good in trading. Alright, this thing is beautifully doing the things which I want, but I want 4 hours to go bearish. If 4 hours got bearish, if 4 hours kind of close below this structure, then that's a green line. Then we'll wait for retracement and then push to the downside. I will be completely okay if I miss this trade. I will be taking the conservative entry. I will not take the aggressive entry. Aggressive entry means this is the entry if I taking here. The next 4 hours, that means the candlestick is going to start at 11:30 and it is going to close at 15:30. So basically, yeah, in middle of the day, if this candlestick closes below, we'll be getting the trade. If not, we avoided the loss if it goes up. But I know this is going to happen. This is going to come down. I know this because experience, brother. Like I know fucking this. If I know this, I know this. If I don't, I don't. So I will waiting for more 4 hours to be more conservative. I just don't want to jump in this trade. It looks beautiful. It looks like wow in the world, but I don't want to. Okay, बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं. Literally, like, wow, man. The weeks are also saying every single thing which I wanted. Sailors are coming to picture. Holy shit, this looks beautiful. Now this is messing around with me, but I will be waiting for this. I have to stick to what I'm saying. I will be waiting for bearish. I don't give a fuck if this trade goes into straight to over here. I just don't give a fuck. I have to be okay. If I can't be okay, if I take the trade, I can't be okay. If I can't be okay by giving the loss for free, I have to be okay for missing the trade. Just because of I'm waiting for the break and retest. Now this card closer. Okay. This looks beautiful, man. This looks like wow in the fucking world. Forget about it. I will just market is doing the emotional game right now with me. Market is actually giving the information. I'm pretending that information as an emotional hurt. That's the issue with me. Alright, boys, I will just wait for this candlestick closure. That's it. And that's fucking it. Skip. Go out from this. Odd NZD, huh? Odd NZD. I'm waiting for the retracement to this area of interest to push to the downside. Looks like it is not going to come to this area of interest. If it comes, beautiful, but I don't think so it is going to come because the EMA and whatnot is playing around, having the resistance right there. Have that engulfing candle, like wow in the world, it looks beautiful, but I will still be waiting because we are taking a counter trend trade, right? I want the I want the if I'm taking the counter trend trade, I have to be see the things which I wanted to see. I wanted to see this candlestick clump, sorry, this 4 hours candlestick closure on the area of interest. If I got this beautiful, that is what I want to see. If I don't see, I don't care if this goes in profit. I fucking don't care. I have to say this because if I don't say this, my mind will be messed up with me. I have to say this. I have to say this that if this goes down, I have to be completely okay. And I know that this is going to go down. This is not literally going to come up. It is not going to come up. I can see the things. I can see the things. If this going to go down, Euro NZD is going to go down, and I know this is going to happen. We are going to miss the trade. Looks like that. But I will wait for the break and then retest. I just don't want to mess up with things. I will be stick to my plan. Yes, Euro USD is the highest probable trade. Right there, I just want this daily candlestick closure below this area of interest right there, so that we could easily take the trade to the downside. But this should not miss it. Just now I literally saw like this is going to create left, oh shit, like left fucking head and then right shoulder. This is going to go up. As per the weekly, it is going to create the bearish engulfing candle right now. As per the weekly, I believe in this, so this is going to come. I do anything, man. Do anything. I just need the candlestick closure below this area of interest, and that is what I was waiting for. If I got this, beautiful. If I don't, I don't. I will be getting 4 hours get bearish. Once I get 4 hours bearish, retrace to the EMA, retrace to 4 hours previous structure area. This is not a previous structure area. This is a previous structure area. Yeah, this is previous structure area. Still, will I just need this? Break and candlestick closure below. Euro USD is doing the things which I wanted. GBP USD is also doing things which I wanted. I just want daily candlestick closure below this area of interest. That will be beautifully taking a trade to the downside. I mean, this is we have this beautiful trades right there. Why in the world I should be risking the my 0.8% in the trade which is doesn't look, I mean, which looks good but it also doesn't look good. I mean, in both 50-50. I just don't want to mess up with the things. This thing is going, I want this to be come up and then go down. GP cat, we need to wait for this more. We need literally we need to wait for more. So Euro NZD, it looks beautiful, but I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about you, bro. I don't give a fuck about you. So now I have to train myself. I literally have to train myself that I have predicted this move and I'm not in this trade and I'm being okay that I have missed this trade. I am being okay. Now my heartbeat is getting increased just because I'm missing this trade out, but now I have to train myself for this type of things because I'm right now handling six-figure account, and now within 3 months I will be handling 7 to 8 figures account. So I have to be okay with the things which is right now is happening. Okay, it is a part of a game. Alright, this is a fucking part of a game, and I don't give a fuck. I will be trained myself by just staring this screen and being okay by this going down and not taking a trail sell trade. I know this is going to go down, blah blah blah. Still I'm not taking trade and this goes down. Brother, this is where your psychology is coming. You gonna have to be okay by missing the trades. You missing the trade just because of you are waiting for your, you know, perfect trade setup. And this trade setup is not a perfect trade. Perfect trade setup is equals to 4 hours candlestick closure below and then retrace. That right there is the perfect trade setup. If you got, beautiful. If you don't, you will be missing this trade. And you have to be okay. You fucking have to be okay for doing this. And I'm okay. And I'm saying now, I no, there is no other option. There is no other option that you can train yourself. You can't do you can't train yourself for this thing by doing meditation. No fucking not. You have to stay in front of the chart and you have to see the prices going down. You have predicted this move. You haven't took this trade. You have to be okay for this. And I'm saying I'm fucking okay. Even though my heartbeat is increased, my mind is controlling my thought process. If I'm saying I'm completely okay, if this candlestick close, like if this big candlestick happens, I don't know why, blah 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 blah, I'll fucking be okay. I have to, like, if I don't say this, then I'm going to mess up. But I have to say this to myself that it I will be okay. I have to be okay. And I'm okay. For missing this trade if this happens. Some, like, now I'm understanding like trading is only 10% strategy and 90% is your psychology. If you are if you are you know if you're not good with your psychology, I mean, everyone knows, every single one knows about strategy. I literally have given it for free, but how much people are making money using that? So less amount. And why? Because of the psychology. Psychology is the only thing that is making you stop making money from the market. Is the only thing. Need urgent cash? Why in the world have you need urgent cash? I don't need a cash. Fuck you. So now this is having the retracement. Beautiful. I have to be okay. If this candle blow down, I don't give a fuck. I have to be okay. So now you have to train yourself. I have trained myself. Okay. You have to train yourself by sitting in front of chart and saying the things. I am completely okay. I am completely okay if this happens. Repeatedly say the fucking thing. When your heartbeat increase, now my heartbeat is like relax, chillax. I'm fucking okay. I'm going to miss this trade. Cool. It's a part of a game, but I'm missing the wrong trade. I'm not missing the trade which I got break and retrace and there I'm not taking a trade. That's a fucking bullshit. I am missing the trade just because of I didn't got what I want. And if I take that trade which I want, which I didn't saw the things which I want, I'm taking a wrong trade. And it's better to miss the wrong trade rather than taking a wrong trade. So see, it is what right now I know this is what is happening. It is creating a weak retracement to this area of interest to the every single 4 hours candlestick have the weak upside and weak downside. So right now it is creating the upper wick to create the downside candle. I fucking know this. Still I will not take the trade even though I'm a god of market. I myself is the god of market. Still I will not take this trade. Right now it is beautifully creating a left head and then right shoulder retesting to this EMA. It's going to push to downside. I don't give a fuck. I want 4 hours candlestick closure below. I want that. If I got beautiful, if I don't, double beautiful. So within let's calculate when we are going to get what we are going to get. So within 4 hours we'll be understanding does this candlestick closure below or not. So will be coming back and checking things at not 19:30 at 15:30. All right, let's check back after 15:30. Then I don't think so there is any trade right now. It's cooking. It needs a daily candlestick closure. We'll be waiting for daily candlestick closure. GBP daily candlestick closure needs down. GBP CAD a very big long retracement we need. Done. That's it. AUD CAD. What the fuck AUD CAD? How in the world AUD CAD comes? AUD CAD is not in the list. Still it is coming. I mean, why in the world? This thing is going to go up because whenever we are up, we are buying. It is not a good thing. AUD CAD, I really don't know how it coming. So Euro NZD is the thing. Only we have trade which is Euro NZD and it is and we need to check after 4 hours. A lot of time we have, so we'll work on our goals. Signing.